name mo?
Ay, Paulina.
Go.
Have you ever reached a rainbow's end? And did you find your pot of gold? Ever catch a shooting star? And tell me how did you soar? Ever felt like you were dreaming, just to find that you're awake, and the magic that surrounds you can lift you up and guide you on your way? I can see it in the stars across the sky. Dreamt 100,000 dreams before, now I'm finally realized. You see, I've waited all my life for this moment to arrive, and finally I believe. Said I believe.
Bongga! Sali to sa ano?
Grand finals to?
O may more pa? Gusto mo ba mag-more?
Listen.
Agad-agad, diba?
Listen, I am alone at a crossroads. I'm not at home in my own home, and I'm trying to say what's on my mind. You should have known. Oh, now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I followed the voice you gave to me, but now I've got to find my own. Salamat po.
Ang galing. Grabe, alam mo yung diction mo, yung
Ang
klaro
linaw,
mo
no?
kumanta. Pang-international.
Angeline Quinto ang kwento mo na parating natatalo dati sa mga competition.
Opo.
Bakit? Ba't ka natatalo?
Kasi kapag lumalaban po ako, lagi po akong paos.
Ang nagtitrain ba sa'yo, nanay mo?
Opo.
Pauline, yes na yes na yes.
Thank you po.
Ako, Pauline, you got it.
Maraming salamat po.
Pauline, baka hindi ka pumapasok. Palagi ka lang kumakanta.
Absent po ako ngayong araw.
O, kita mo. Dahil absent ka ngayon, it's a yes.
Salamat po.
Yan ang attitude. Never ever give up, right bro?